Here's a quick tip to save some money this holiday season. Go out and make something. Now this idea comes completely from the Make Something YouTube channel, but I've put my own twist at the end. The wine display itself is pretty easy to make. In this case I started out with just some pallet wood, some white oak, and mahogany. I purchased the template from the Make Something website, and it made it really simple to drill the holes and cut out the shape. The wine holder itself turned out really well, but I think it needed a corkscrew as well. To make a matching handle, I took a scrap of that pallet wood and cut off a piece slightly wider than my hand. Then I planed off my saw marks and chamfered some of the edges with a chisel, as seen here. Next I drilled a hole to insert the metal corkscrew into.
I pilfered the corkscrew from this old wine opener and then carved out the hole to match. To affix the corkscrew to the handle, I glued it in with 30-minute epoxy, and then I started thinking, that needs to be a little stronger, so I drove a cut nail through there, right through the hole, and epoxied it into place as well. Thanks for watching.